Hi everyone, Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making tomato based egg curry. Simple, easy and delicious. Let's get started. For this recipe we'll be using 4 eggs. We need to boil these eggs for around 8 minutes, which will give us the perfect hard-boiled eggs. So while boiling, we'll add a little bit of salt too. So what the salt will do, it will harden the eggshells while boiling, and sometimes when you're boiling the eggs tend to crack, and that won't happen when you add salt. So while the eggs are boiling, let's get our chopping done. In this recipe, I'll be using medium size of shallots, or you can use 1 large red onion. I prefer the taste of shallots, so I love using shallots in my curries and my dals. So I'm going to use medium size 4 shallots. See, they're not too big, they're just small. We need to finely dice the shallots. We'll also need 3 medium-sized tomatoes. We'll make our life easy, we'll puree them. Ten to 12 small size of garlic cloves, few sprigs of curry leaves, 4 green chilies for garnish and cooking, fresh coriander leaves with stems and root, and around 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. So gentle bash to the garlic. So we'll just leave it whole. Around 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger. Roughly chopping the green chilies. I'm also using 2 stems and roots of coriander. See, perfect hard-boiled eggs. We don't have any gray bits. So that's our chopping and grinding done. Let's get to the cooking. We'll take a pan and heat it on medium-high flame. Adding ½ cup of sesame seed oil, 2 dried whole red chillies, just breaking it up, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Our bashed garlic. We'll allow it to brown, nice golden brown in color. Also infusing the oil with the garlic flavor. So our garlic is nice and brown and golden. We'll add in our chopped shallots. Along with the onions, we'll also add the ginger, green chilies and coriander roots, and let it saute and cook for 5 minutes. We'll add a sprig of curry leaves. Let's speed this up. We'll add in salt. Give it a stir. We're after a nice golden color onion. So another 2 minutes. So now the onions have started to change color. We'll add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder, hing. Let's add in our freshly made tomato puree. We'll turn the heat to low. Give this a good mix. Let's add in our masala. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 heaped teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of hot variety of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. That's it. That's all the masala we need. Give it all a mix. So now we let the tomatoes cook along with the spices, and we cover and cook for 5 minutes. Keep stirring in between. It's been 5 minutes. The oil has come up and the tomato is nice and cooked. Let's add in our boiled eggs. So just carefully placing the eggs. Just gently give it a mix. Try to put the gravy on top of the eggs. Be very gentle. Curry leaves for garnish. Finely chopped coriander leaves. Green chillies. Cover and simmer for another 1 minute and we're good to go. I hope you like this amazing and simple recipe. Please leave your comments below and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. See ya. Bye-bye.